be having a hazardous field trip in Kingston, Jamaica. First, uh, the field trip will be in the Caribbean islands. The Caribbean islands are located southeast of North America and is considered a subregion of North America. It is known for its high rates of flooding. The cause for the ridiculous amounts of flooding disasters in the Caribbean islands are due to the consistent phenomena of hurricanes and storms. Because of this, water is pushed from the sea into internal water channels, which leads to floods in the plains area. Countries in the Caribbean islands are affected by various types of floods, which include flash floods, riverine floods, and tidal floods. A solution to the problem of flooding would be less urbanization. Urbanization is the process by which an area becomes more citywide, where buildings are created to sustain the population's needs. Urbanization destroys vegetation infrastructure, plantation, and it damages the drainage system. Secondly, the country we'll be visiting next is Santo Domingo, which is the capital and the largest city of the Dominican Republic. Santo Domingo is known for its heavy earthquakes caused by the awkward positioning by the North American and the Caribbean continental plates. The two fault lines on the continental plates, the Enriquillo Plainton Jordan and the Super Tritonal faults located in the north and south of the country, are both responsible for the recurrent earthquakes that occurred in the city. Although earthquakes can be stopped, being prepared for disasters and emergency management is always necessary to stay intact during natural disasters. These should be monitored by the government. The most important aspect is regulation of engineering and designing aspects of the region's creations to minimize the damages by future earthquakes. Lastly, the last country will be Columbus. The last area will be Columbus, Ohio, located in the center of the U.S., which is known for its ridiculous amount of tornadoes. A tornado is a circulation of air that spins while it is in contact with the ground and the clouds. Tornado Valley, which is an area where tornadoes are most frequent, covers a large portion of center U.S. Ohio is on the eastern side of the imaginary bounded area, which consists of real estate from the western plain states. East of it locates Mississippi Valley, Gulf Coast, and northward into Ohio Valley. This area is subject to really cold, dry air coming from the north and moist air from the south, creating a tornado. Although tornadoes cannot be manipulated, you can try your best to protect yourselves when they do occur. Stocking up on non-perishable foods and water are the best solutions to tornadoes. Going back to school, that concludes the field trip.